best way to do this, but it's the way that I get results. I like you to think of the term protozoans as parasites. Now, worms are parasites as well. But I like you to think of protozoans being parasites, because we can't say that every eukaryotic organism is a parasite, right? Okay. But we can say that these protozoans, these eukaryotes, these protozoans are parasites, and we're going to group them according to their mobility. Professor Stanzos has talked to you about this already, correct? I'm going to do it very quickly and also talk about some of the examples that you might see on your exam and that you need to know in the medical field. So, for instance, some of the flagellates. An example of some of the protozoan flagellates is called Giardia lamblia. The disease is called Giardia. Who in this classroom knows what Giardia is? Nobody knows? So here you are in the backcountry, right? You're backpacking. You decide to drink out of that stream. We talked about this already, didn't we? Yeah. That's a bad idea, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Because there are organisms in the forest that what? They defecate, right? And when it rains, that feces and some of these components will end up in the streams, and then you're drinking them. So Giardia happens to be an example of a eukaryotic infection that you can get if you don't filter your water in the backcountry. When you filter your water, can you filter out viruses?
No.
Good for you. Can you filter out some bacterium?
Yes.
Can you filter out pretty much all eukaryotes? Why? Because we just went from smallest to largest. Good. Another organism, and we'll talk about its type of movement, amoebas. Entamoeba histolytica happens to be a pretty significant medical pathogen. Both of these cause diarrhea like it is nobody's business. You will shit your brains out. Your brains will come out of your